Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 8, motion. So first of all, what do you understand by the term motion? So motion is the change in position of a body with time. Suppose a body moves from point A to point B. So this change in position and the time which it took to reach to the point B from the point A, it is known as motion. This change in position of the body with time is termed to be motion. So in the layman terms, it can be described as the distance which is moved or the displacement. So what is distance? Distance is the actual length of the path travelled by the body. Now comes displacement. It is the shortest path travelled by the body from its initial position to its final position. If a body wants to cover the distance between point A and point B, so the shortest path which is there to reach the point B from point A, the length of this shortest path is termed to be the displacement. So now with the help of this graph, we can understand the terms distance and displacement. Let us see how. What is happening? So the example goes like this, that if a body starts moving in a straight line from the origin O, you can see here O, and it moves through C and B and reaches the point A, and then it moves back and reaches C through B. What is happening? A body has to reach to the point C and it reaches this point C. How? First of all, it moves to point O to point A, then it moves to point B from point A, and then finally it reaches point C. So in doing so, the distance travelled by this body is equal to OA, that is 60 km, plus AB, that is 60 minus 35 kilometers. Then the distance BC. Okay. So the distance travelled from point O to reach point C via A and B point is 95 km. So this is the distance travelled. On the same note, if we want to find out the displacement. So what is displacement? Just now we saw it. What is displacement? It is the length of the shortest path which is used to reach from one point to another point. Now if a body wants to move from O to C, then the shortest path to move from O to C is this distance, O and C, the distance between O and C. So this distance covers the length of 25 km. So this is the shortest route to reach the point C, and this is termed as displacement. Now I think this graph, this straight line helps you to understand the difference between distance and displacement.